Yo, 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 back again with another unboxing. This is a shoe I was skeptical of when it first came out. Because I just, the shoe itself, the design was alright. But I didn't like the midsole. It was just too plain for me. I was like, I understand all the technology that has to go into it, but here we go with the glue. Here we go. Really? Here we go with the glue. Jeez. I understand all the technology that goes into the midsole, but y'all could have jazzed it up a little bit. But as you can see, these are the Kevin Durant 11 version. I really like multicolor colorways. I love them. They're versatile. You can wear them with anything. And that's what we have here. The multicolor. But see, this midsole, it's milky, but it's so plain. It's almost like some corrective shoes or something. But they are engineered to play in. Sometimes you have to sacrifice aesthetics for technology and wearability and playability. This is my first pair of these. Here we go with the cushioning message. Cushioning system, full length Nike Zoom Air and React midsole foam. So, like I said, it's a lot of technology in there. A lot. You got the KD embroidered. You got the fly knit upper. And you got the stitched swoosh. I like that. I always like some stitched aesthetics on the shoe. It's nice. There's your 11 sign right there for the KD 11. Like I said, this is my first pair, so I have no clue what they feel like. Other than React and Zoom, I can only assume that they feel great. The inside of the shoe, just a signature in the 11 insignia. But this fly knit, it's not the soft fly knit, except for up here. This is kind of soft, but this is rigid, which is good. On your toe cap, made for contact, made to be tough, made to be durable. And I notice we got the pull tab back here. Let's see what this is. Okay. This is number in Roman numerals, 35. So, not bad. Like I said, I like this color. I wouldn't have bought it if I didn't. Can't wait to play in them. I did not have any KD 10s. Not that I didn't want to. I just never got around to them. I love the KD 9. The KD 9 was awesome. I had several pairs of those. And I also ID'd a pair. But, this is new technology here. Talking about the Zoom infused with the React. So, along with the colorway, that's exactly why I wanted to try them out. So, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer them. There are some details here that you can barely see. There's his name there. But, just checking out the shoe. That's one thing I like about these signature athlete shoes. They have a lot of hidden details. You don't always know what they mean, but, it's fun to find them. So there you have it. The KD 11 multicolor. Thanks for watching.